Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today I bring you this golden recipe from a German potato salad. Very tasty, very easy and very simple to prepare. We're going to start boiling some potatoes like you see in the video, and let's continue with our mayonnaise. I'm doing like a 2 kilos potato, and so that is the reason I'm using a little bit of more of mayonnaise than the ones you may use, depending on the quantity of course. We are gonna add a splash of milk like you just see in the video, and we need from our pickles the water for this stage, just the water of our pickle to bring a little bit of sourness from our pickles to our sauce the beginning. And we're gonna ground some black pepper like you just see, some turns, and now we're gonna go to our mustard. I'm using the regular mustard. This is a Polish mustard I'm using, but you can use any mustard you like, of course. Yeah, just like you see. And now we're gonna add some salt. And remember the salt just carefully. Afterwards, you can always add salt, so try not to over salt at the beginning. Yeah. Now you're gonna just mix it like this kind of emulsion here, emulsionated. Just kind of, you're gonna mix it like, just like a regular sauce you're making it. And now we are gonna add a little bit of olive oil to emulsionate it, and to add a little bit more of liquid and the fat that we need now. And just like that, we are ready, and you can reserve this step, this mayonnaise on the side, and we will continue to our second step. We will need for the salad, look, it's creamy. Yeah, that's it. That's the point. Yeah. Now we are, as I said, we're gonna do some cutting one onion. This is our second step of the or actually. We're gonna just cut very small. Remember, we got the potatoes boiling. We did the mayonnaise, and now we are cutting brunoise from onion. Yeah, just like you see, regular onion, as small as you can. And we're gonna proceed with our next ingredient, which are the pickles. With the pickles, we're gonna proceed as we did with the onion, just small pieces brunoise, as small as you can. Name is brunoise, as I just said. You just cut it. It depends how you feel. Important is that they are sour. They shouldn't be sweet. Just carefully there, because this is the touch of this salad. The pickles will bring this sourness to the salad, which is very, very tasty. It's just characteristically from the potato salad in general. Polish and German salad, they do have a lot of pickles, like the Russian as well do. Yeah. So just like that, just have some pickles and just reserve on the side. In the meantime, you're gonna peel off some cucumber. I'm using 2 baby cucumbers this time, this very small, or you can use the half of a regular cucumber. You peel it off, and now we're gonna grate it. Just like I'm gonna just show you now. Now we're gonna finishing the 3 pickles I'm using. You can add, of course, more pickles, depending of what you like. Yeah, as I said, just pickles, cucumbers, 2 baby cucumber. I'm just gonna grate it. Yeah, because we need to incorporate it to our salad to help our salad grow. The everything, the creaminess of this thickness of the salad will be together with the mayo and the potatoes. They are also easy potatoes to be boiled, and just to be how you say, like flour of potato. After potato boils, you peel it off, and now you cut it. They will break sometime. It doesn't really matter. You just cut it as they come. Look, one of them they are completely, and one they are breaking. It's all right. It's perfect. It's the taste, and it's the goal of our potatoes boiled here for our salad. On the side, you see I got the onion, the pickles, the cucumber, and the mayo. We got everything. We will need only the pickles liquid again to work with our potatoes, and a little bit of salt for our potatoes. Yeah, that's it. Let's speed this up, and let's come with the next step from our potatoes. Just like that, continue, cut all your potatoes you have, and then look, we got the potatoes, and now with water of the pickles. You are gonna add a little bit of the water to the pickles. I'm using strainer here just to I don't want any of the green stuff from the pickles there. I'm just gonna do it like that and just mix it, that everything got the potatoes, that they soak the taste, the sourness from the, and the salt, of course, from the pickles, just like you see. And now add a little bit of salt, and if you think you need more of the liquid, yeah, they do have to be absorbed from the potato, the liquid, and not over liquid. Yeah, it's important. Just salt and the liquid, that they get the taste. Yeah, you soak it, and now it's just quite simple. After you add your salt and the liquid of the pickle, you are gonna pour the mayonnaise on it, and also it does need, in my case, a little bit more of the liquid, yeah, like you just see now. And now it's very simple. You're gonna just pour the onions into the mayonnaise and the pickles into the mayonnaise, that they get together, yeah. Just mix it, both of them, and after that we just need to pour it into the mayonnaise, yeah. So if you are so far to here, hit that thumb up button, also subscribe to the channel, and leave any comment if you have any question. Of course, I appreciate it there. It does help us, the content creator, to keep growing, to keeping the new ideas coming, etc. Yeah. So now as you see, just mix all together. We are also gonna pour it on top of our potatoes, and you will mix it, and then you pour the cucumber. You just mix it, let it rest, and we are ready to go. You can of course check salt and sourness if everything is all right. You see the grated cucumber. When everything is all right, you're just ready to serve. And the best option will be to let it rest couple of hours, that the potatoes absorb more flavor from the mayo and from the pickles water with it. So thank you very much, I appreciate it, and we will see you in the next video. Here we are. This is our German potato salad, the recipe from a friend of mine named Sandra. It's very tasty, and I hope you do like. Thank you.